In this video, I'll show you how to find Binance transaction history on the Binance app. First, open the Binance app on your phone and log into your account. Make sure you are using the official Binance app, because your transaction history includes important account activities such as deposits, withdrawals, transfers, trades, and conversions. Once you are on the home screen, tap Wallets at the bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your Binance Wallet overview, where you can see your balances across different wallet sections. Now choose the wallet area you want to check. For example, if you want to see your crypto deposits, withdrawals, or spot account activity, tap Spot. If you want to check funding payments, P2P activity, or transfers, you may need to open funding instead. Inside the wallet section, look for an option called Transaction History, History, Records, or a small clock icon. The name can be slightly different depending on your app version, but it is usually located near the top right corner of the wallet page. Tap that option to open your records. Here, Binance will show your recent transaction history. You may see different tabs or filters such as Deposit, Withdraw, Transfer, Convert, Buy, Sell, or Distribution. To find a specific transaction, use the filters on the screen. You can select the transaction type, choose the cryptocurrency, and set a date range. For example, if you are looking for a Bitcoin withdrawal, choose Withdraw, select BTC, and check the correct date. When you tap on a transaction, Binance will usually show more details. This may include the amount, status, date, network, transaction ID, wallet address, and any related fee. If the transaction is still processing, you can check its current status from this page. If you cannot find the transaction, make sure you are checking the correct wallet section. Some transactions appear under Spot, while others may appear under Funding, Earn, Futures, or P2P records. And that's how you find Binance transaction history on the Binance app. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.